Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert bank statements to CSV, Excel 365, or Google Sheets. So first head over to docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Then from here, click on extensions, then hover your mouse on add-ons, then click on get add-ons. This window will then pop up. And from the Google Workspace Marketplace, just search for Convert PDF until you see this app, Convert PDF to CSV Excel Sheets. So click on it, then download this app. Just click on the install button, log into an account, so it could be your Google account, grant access permissions. So from here, you can start importing your PDF file or your bank statements file. So select the pages. You can just click on select all, then click on process selected pages. And just by that, you have now converted your bank statement to CSV file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.